this group. I found out about them a few years ago, and I thought there are very few groups who have that kind of the melodic, the rock, it's all there. Oh,
Smile at my camera.
do you know what?
Filming.
Right there.
I'm going to film it when you
It took me like 3 years to get me right there. There's a dynamic element about them, and there's a melodic and which you shouldn't really hear about, really in rock music. But they are catchy, and they're dynamic, and they deserve it. The Rival Sons. There you are, boys. What do you say?
I'm going to say thank you, Vic, very much.
Thank you very much.
You want to say something? Go ahead. I'm going to thank our families right out of the gate, and this is kind of a weird award, Breakthrough Artist, so it's there's a lot of people that make breakthrough happen, and I'm going to give it to this guy, who helped us.
First of all, we'd like to thank our management, of course, Tom Consolo, Nick at Frontline, Digby, Dan Tobin, Earache Records. Thank you so much for everything. Talita Genman, our publicist. We cannot do this at all without you. Steve Zapp, Rod McSween at ITV. Holy cow, they're booking our tours. Lisa Austin York, Andy Copping, Live Nation, thank you so much. Jeffrey West, Danny at Carlings for making us look hot. Ray Brown, thank you. Orange Amps, friggin' Feisty Cymbals, all our people, Clear Tone Strings, Gibson, Dunlop, all this stuff. Sorry, we have to do the thank yous.
Anybody else want to do that? I'm going to thank Jeff Beck because he's here, and God bless him. Billy Gibbons. Oh my God.
Billy Gibbons. Bill, where's Billy? Come on. Planet Rock Radio.
Yeah.
Whispering Bob Harris. BBC. We couldn't have done this without you. Classic Rock Magazine, of course. Chris, Sean, Scott. Classic Rock.
God bless it. Thank you, guys.
Can I ask you guys a couple questions?
That's, I'd like to thank B&Q.
Okay. I'm serious. So you guys, you're breakthrough artists this year. I saw you guys playing here last year, right in between the whole shenanigans, right? So you sold out, 4 weeks sold out tour of